Welcome back to Agentic AI 101. This is episode 9, AI Agent Reflection.
Today we're exploring how modern AI agents can review their own work, spot errors, and fix them automatically.
Let's start by comparing two worlds, AI without reflection versus AI with it. Without reflection, when an AI agent generates an answer, that's it. The output goes straight to you. If there's a math error or logical flaw, you won't know until you read it. Think of it like a student reviewing their homework before submission. They're both the writer and the editor. They read through answers, spot mistakes, erase and rewrite problematic parts, then submit a better version. This ability is called self-critique. The AI evaluates its own output to identify errors, contradictions, or quality issues before presenting it as final. Here's how self-critique works in practice.
The AI completes a task, like writing code or solving a math problem. Then, using a second prompt, the AI evaluates its own output.
This second prompt acts like an internal quality check system, asking targeted questions about accuracy, completeness, and logic.
The AI identifies weaknesses, contradictions, or errors in its own work.
For example, an AI might write a recipe but realize it forgot baking time.
Or it could solve an equation and spot a calculation error.
When problems are detected, the reflection process moves to the next phase, the retry mechanism.
This is the ability to attempt a task multiple times, with each attempt informed by previous failures.
The retry mechanism is simple but powerful. If the AI finds an issue, it tries again.
It regenerates the answer with the errors corrected.
This isn't random, each new attempt is informed by what went wrong before.
An AI might write a response that's too brief, recognize this, then regenerate a more thorough version.
This creates what we call a reflection loop, a cycle of generate, evaluate, identify problems, and regenerate. The loop doesn't require human intervention. The AI manages the entire process automatically.
In one reflection loop, an AI might generate a math solution, verify each step, catch an arithmetic mistake, recalculate, and deliver a corrected answer all in seconds.
This is fundamentally different from how AI worked before.
Old AI systems generated once and stopped. New AI systems with reflection can improve their own output across multiple passes until quality standards are met.
Let's look at real-world applications. First, debugging code.
An AI writes a program, self-critiques it for syntax errors and logic flaws, then regenerates corrected code. This catches bugs before delivery.
Second, content generation.
An AI drafts an article, evaluates it for factual accuracy and clarity, and refines weak sections.
The final output is polished without human editing.
Third, customer support.
An AI generates a response to a customer question, checks whether it fully answers the query, and regenerates a more complete response if necessary. Fourth, math and reasoning.
An AI solves a complex problem, verifies the logic at each step, and corrects any inconsistencies immediately.
The common thread, reflection reduces errors and improves quality automatically. Now, how does this compare to human review? Without reflection, AI is like submitting a first draft without review. With reflection, AI is like a professional who reads their own work, marks it up, and revises before submission. Reflection is powered by prompts. Prompt-based feedback means the AI uses a second prompt to evaluate the first attempt.
The AI's ability to self-critique depends entirely on how well this evaluation prompt is written.
Good prompts lead to thorough self-critique. The AI becomes more accurate, more complete, and more reliable.
Let's put a number on it. Reflection-enabled AI systems show error reduction rates between 30 and 60% depending on task complexity.
Without reflection, an AI has no built-in mechanism to catch mistakes. It's a single pass, input to output. With reflection, the AI has an internal quality gate. It can loop back, re-examine, and improve.
This multi-pass approach is why modern AI agents are more reliable. However, reflection loops consume more tokens and time.
Each retry uses additional computational resources.
But the payoff is worth it, higher accuracy and fewer errors reaching users.
In practice, most agentic systems use reflection selectively. They might reflect on high-stakes outputs, like medical recommendations or financial advice. Lower-stakes outputs, like casual chat, might skip reflection to save resources. Reflection isn't magic, it's a tool that requires thoughtful implementation. This is where human oversight and prompt engineering become critical. So let's bring this back to the core idea. AI agent reflection is the ability of an AI system to review its own work, identify errors, and improve automatically.
It mirrors how skilled professionals approach their work: write, review, revise, deliver.
For AI, this happens in seconds. Old AI, one pass, no revision. New AI, multiple passes with self-critique and refinement. This shift is reshaping what AI agents can accomplish.
They're moving from error-prone to reliable, from one-shot to iterative, from fragile to robust.
And the best part? This process scales. Thousands of AI agents can use reflection simultaneously, each improving their own outputs without human intervention.
Looking ahead, reflection is becoming standard in agentic workflows. It's a key reason why AI systems are getting smarter and more trustworthy.
Next episode, we'll dive into AI agent use cases. Do you really need one in 2026? We'll explore which problems are worth solving with agents and which aren't. See you then.